here I am, single mom, 3 kids, working 18 hours a day, you guys, 3 years straight. And I was just at a point in my life at 50 where I realized things just didn't go according to the plan, right?
Mhm.
I was very disappointed in myself. I was tired of struggling. I had been in the trucking industry for over 20 years. And like Melissa was saying, I got that second job, right? So I started waitressing nights, holidays, weekend. And it's damn hard being a mom when you're working 18 hours a day. And that's when it really hit me that I needed to do something different. Now, did I ever think it would be an online business? Abso-flippin-lutely not, because I wasn't even on social media, right? But here's what happened. My daughter begged me, and I allowed her to create a TikTok so I could watch her videos, right? Her and her girlfriends dancing. That's when I ran across Michelle and a video. And I'm like, what? What? It blew me away because I didn't know anything, right? I literally had to Google what is digital marketing. I didn't know, but it blew my mind what I was learning, what I was hearing. And I got inside of this community and I started seeing that men and women just like me, from 20 to 80, were learning the skills to make an income far greater than they ever made. They were getting their time back with their family. And that's truly all I ever wanted, was just to get my time back. Long story short, within 10 weeks of this program, you guys, I was able to quit both of those jobs.